Coal Valley, Canton, Orion, Warner, Kelowna, and Cleveland. This includes the following highways: Interstate 74 in Iowa between mile markers 2 and 5. Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 304 and 306. Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 10. Interstate 74 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 20. Interstate 88 near mile marker 1. Interstate 280 between mile markers 10 and 18. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Lightning can strike 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. Seek a safe shelter inside a building or vehicle. The storm may intensify, so be certain to monitor local radio stations and available television stations for additional information and possible warnings from the National Weather Service. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather. They will relay your report to the National